if everybody's talking AI, where do you think AI will create a real operating leverage in cross-border payments? Where is the value with the AI actually?
So I think there are a couple of examples. I mean, one I touched on already, which is compliance and risk.
Okay.
AI can be used for good or for bad. Clearly, there's been a huge explosion in synthetic identities being created by bad actors. We are using AI to stay ahead of any bad actor in terms of tightening up, being smarter, and more effective in managing the onboarding process, transaction monitoring process. So
Okay.
that's an essential one. Second one I touched on already is how we can actually move much faster using AI. So if you look at the tech giants, they've had a huge advantage until now in the sense that they've had effectively sort of unlimited engineering resource. So
Yeah.
whatever they want to build, they can build.
Yes.
Companies like us, one of our limiting factors has been the amount of engineering resource we have. So we're always having to prioritize and have the roadmap saying, here are all the things we want to do. Which do we do first? Which second? Which third? With the productivity gains of AI coding, we did an internal test on that recently, which showed dramatic improvements in productivity in terms of how fast we can build products leveraging AI coding. So for us, it's a huge opportunity in terms of being even more agile, developing more custom products faster, and
Right.
therefore staying ahead in the market.
I see. So two cases, like one is compliance and risk, and the another one is productivity internally, right? And so you definitely see value in AI. What do you think? Where the customers will feel it? Is it only in compliance and risk, or do you think there are any other areas where the customers will feel the AI made the cross-border transactions easier?
Compliance and risk, obviously, I think, as I mentioned, the agility. So if we've got a large enterprise who needs a custom solution, we can deliver it even faster with AI.
Okay,
So that's a second
right.
clear one. The third one would be one of the things we're focused on right now is using AI to develop a much smarter routing. Obviously, we have local access to local rails around the world as what we're a member of SWIFT. We have every permutation in terms of payment rails available.
Okay.
Developing smart routing for this customer, what are their priorities in terms of speed versus cost, other issues. And so therefore we can actually, again, optimize the way in which we're using our capabilities to get those payments done, meeting the criteria that are most important to each client.